Hi guys, good afternoon. 11th of the 11th, just gone 12 o'clock. Got the euro here, which is just on the low of the week. It's broken a key level support now, and I just wonder if this is where we can, start to see a bit more aggressive selling. You can see the importance of this whole level in the future. Sort of 118 as a zone. It really goes back to the 20th of last month as a significant area, and we're finally getting a break below that. I mean, from what I would personally like to see is a retest, a bit more bearish price action, to then see that move to the downside. But I would be looking potentially here at 116 to come in. The dollar index is still trading within a bit of a range, but if that was to break to the upside, that's obviously going to help this market push on. Had some Brexit headlines out, and while it did spike the pound to the upside, it's actually come under a bit of pressure since. You can see we got up and above to 132.26, and we're now 133.26, I should say. We're now 60 pips lower or so, but importantly on that daily chart in that resistance range. So I just wonder if we actually now, with the dollar strength, see a bit of a push down. 132 as a zone is still critically important here for the pound, and while the trade I actually like the look of is the break below, of course 132 is an area where the bulls will also be looking to get that break in. Let's have a quick look over at stocks, where they finished for me critically above that high that we had back on the 12th of October. Now a lot of people are talking about a bit of a rotation move here, money coming out of tech. Let's have a quick look over at that Nasdaq just to confirm that. We had two big days to the downside, but that said, S&P still holding up quite well. And if you remember from the video I did yesterday, I was talking about this whole area as the Nasdaq, and saying, well, actually, is that the opportunity to have got long? It's that midpoint, really key resistance, support, and now support again. Is this the opportunity that people wanted to get in, where they've had a dip from the high that we had of 7%? Is that really good discount now, and actually stocks can start to push to the upside? I think you're going to have a bit of a resistance zone around 11,813, but above there, I actually do quite like the chances of us pushing back towards that high. If we do get below and close below yesterday's low, then we may well start to see a bigger push lower. But at the moment, I think the Nasdaq bulls will be relatively happy, albeit there is this resistance point to come. Gold, with any dollar strength that we're seeing, is a bit undecided. 1850 is still the key level to the downside. To the upside, I'll be keeping a watch on 1886, like we were saying yesterday. Something's got to give. I would have liked the short yesterday on that high, but I missed it, unfortunately. But yeah, decision time to come, and I see a bigger move come in if we break to the upside or we break to the downside. Decision time surely will be happening soon, but the dollar at the moment stuck in that range could certainly lead to some bigger moves to keep an eye on. Anyway guys, hope all is well, and I will catch you tomorrow.